Hey guys, Naisha here and welcome to my channel, Just an Average Girl. Here we're going to be talking about cartoons and movies from yesteryear and today, travels, vlogs, and yes, tech reviews. And speaking of tech reviews, I have something to unbox today that's going to help me. Hope it'll help you too. Stay tuned. In my channel, I'm going to be doing some traveling. And of course, if I'm going to be doing some traveling, I want to make sure that I give you guys good quality filmmaking. So I decided to get myself a stabilizer so that way it is smooth filming. So let's open up this box and check it out. So all of this for this little box right here. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I bring you the Zhiyun SmoothQ. Let's see here. We have direct mobile charging through gimbal, instant manual zooming control, 12-hour continuous work time, and a two-way mounting frame for each switch. A two-way mounting frame for easy switch. So I could do both landscape and portrait. And it comes with a case and a charger. As stated in the picture, it comes with its own case, manual, USB cable for charging, and also a strap. So I guess if you want to carry it with the case. But knowing me, I may not need this. I'll just probably get myself a backpack to go with it. So we're just going to go ahead and put this aside. After reading the manual, I got a better understanding of how to go about putting this thing together. I mean, it's already together, but it's going to help us to ensure that the phone and the stabilizer are well balanced. Oh, there it is. See, and I like how it has the divots in the shape, so there's soft cushioning in here. Feels very plasticky. I don't know what the others look like. I hope the others are not the same. I was kind of looking for like a more chromish feel, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. But yeah, joystick, wide, you know, the zoom in, zoom out, on and button, and different modes and settings, and of course the stabilizer itself. There is a little section to where a USB port where you can charge your phone, and also charge the stabilizer, or the gimbal as they call it. I'm going to show you guys step-by-step instructions on how to go about stabilizing this thing and balancing it without damaging it. The manual says that it can work without it, but it's going to actually put more battery consumption on the motor. So if you don't want that to happen, I'm going to show you guys how to put this together so that way you don't have to worry about your batteries being wasted. In step 1, all you have to do is push and hold open the camera clamp, and then slide your phone in as close as possible against the motor and clamp on. Step 2, we have to balance your phone. If you put it in and it's tilting and stuff, what you have to do is you have to loosen the Y-axis thumb screw, which is in the back, and then don't forget to slide that horizontal arm just until the phone stays still and is vertically on the axis. Now that you're all set, on to step 3, where all you have to do is press the on button, which is that red button down there, and once you turn it on, it comes to life, and there you have it. Alright, so now that we've put together this stabilizer, now it's time for us to test it out and see if it actually helps with video making. I still have a lot to learn about my gimbal because there are 3 modes. On default, it has a pan following mode where as you move your stabilizer, the gimbal follows along with it. And with your joystick, you can also, when you push up and down, it allows a manual control of the tilt axis. The next feature is the locking mode. When you press the mode button once, it's going to lock all movement from all 3 axes, and it keeps your camera stable. And the only thing that you can move is the joystick, which will allow tilting and panning.
But what I like about it is that it remains steady on whatever that you're focusing on, so that way it's not moving left or right. Now, the third mode is the following mode. And in order to do that, you have to double press the mode button. And what that will do is the camera pans and tilts following the movement of the stabilizer. And if you want, you can move the joystick left or right to create a rolling axis. I still have yet to figure out what that part is for, but I don't really use it so much. Now then, what I also like is that it has what I like to call a selfie mode. And to do that, you have to press the mode button 3 times. Your camera will turn 180 showing you, so that way you can do your own little selfie videos when you're walking. In order to revert everything back to default, which is the panning mode, you just hold the button for 3 seconds and it will default back to panning mode. Overall, I like the SmoothQ. It has given me the quality that I'm looking for in my videos, which you will see in the future. And there are still plenty of things, like it has its own app. I don't really use it so much because when it comes into the zoom in and zoom out, it doesn't really work so well. So I just use my own phone's camera, and it works great. And so thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for more videos on this channel. Until next time, guys, this is Naisha Marine, and I'm just your average girl. Stay tuned.